Did you know that one man's courage to speak the truth saved thousands of Tesla drivers from potentially deadly battery fires? In 2018, Martin Tripp worked as a quality checker at Tesla's giant battery factory. Every day he watched something terrifying happen. The company was using broken battery cells in their Model 3 cars. Even worse, 40% of all materials were being thrown away as waste. Martin tried telling his bosses. They ignored him completely, so he made a choice that would change his life forever. He leaked proof to reporters, showing the world what Tesla was really doing. Elon Musk fought back hard. He sued Martin for $167 million. He sent private investigators to follow him everywhere. He even called Martin a saboteur on Twitter. Tesla fans sent Martin death threats. He faced losing everything he owned. But Martin didn't give up, and guess what happened? He was proven right. Tesla's quality problems became public news. Today, Martin helps other workers speak out safely against corporate wrongdoing. His courage literally saved lives.